Welcome to the Dialog Contact View video, and thank you for choosing Dialog. Dialog can serve as your primary contact application. This is the contact view, where your contacts are listed. At the top of the page, you will see a list of contact groups. There are 3 different types of groups. The first type of group, the default groups, include colleagues, family, favorites, friends, and VIP. The second type of group, custom groups, are groups defined by yourself or defined by other apps, like Skype, that feed contacts to your devices. Finally, we have the virtual groups that are created automatically by Dialog. They group contacts according to their alphabetic order and allow you to quickly find a contact. You can open or close a group by tapping the group. To open all groups, use 2 fingers to expand the screen. Conversely, you can close all group by pinching the screen with 2 fingers. Each contact in the contact view contains the contact's photo, name, group indicator, as well as the contact's phone numbers and email addresses. Each phone or email address has a check mark for you to select the phone or email, a type indicator, and the phone number or email address. When you tap on the contact photo, you will see a drop-down menu that will allow you to load photos from the gallery, take photos using the built-in camera, delete the existing photo, and view an enlarged version of the photo. The last function works best with devices running Android 4.0 or newer, and for contacts photos that are not imported from another application, since the photo's resolution may be reduced during the process. You can tap the group indicator to select which groups the contact belongs to. If you have selected any built-in groups, their icons will be shown in the group indicator as follows. If the contact is in the family group, the family icon will be shown. If the contact is in the friends group but not in the family group, the friend icon will be shown. If the contact is in the colleagues group but not in the family or friend groups, the colleagues icon will be shown. In addition, a contact can be one of your VIP or favorites. If the contact is your favorite, you will see 2 stars in the indicator. And if the contact is a VIP, you will see 1 star. You can tap a contact's name to see additional information about the contact, including notes, current ringtone, and the external applications accounts, like Google, Facebook, where the contact was synchronized from, if any. You can also view a list of all communication activities that you have with the contact by tapping Show Past Activities. Whenever you tap a phone number, you will see a drop-down menu from which you make a phone call, send a text message, create call reminder or texting reminder. Similarly, when you tap an email address, you can send an email to the address, or create an email reminder to the address. What if you want to send a text message to multiple phones? You can first select the phone numbers by tapping the check marks beside the phone. Then tap the dial pad in the action bar. And finally select Send Text Message or Set Text Reminder. Similarly, for email, you can select the email addresses, tap the dial pad, and select New Email or Set Email Reminder. After this, you can clear your selections by shaking your device. Apart from modifying photo and groups for your contacts, you can also add new contacts and modify all of your contacts data in the Contact Edit mode. In the Contact view, tap the pencil in the action bar and select Edit Contacts. This will start the Contact Edit mode. In the Edit mode, you will see a menu button to the left of a contact's name. By tapping this button, you will be able to delete the contact, add new phones, and add new email addresses. You can also enter note or change the contact's ringtone by selecting Edit Detail from the menu. In the pop-up, you can enter a new note for the contact. If the contact has a note, you can erase note using the eraser button to the right of the note. You can select new ringtone by tapping the ringtone button. And select the ringtone in the pop-up. If the contact has a ringtone, you can erase the ringtone by tapping the eraser button to the right of the ringtone button. Once you are done, tap the device's back button. To modify a contact's name, phone, or email address, first tap the name. Phone, or email address. To delete a phone or email, click the delete icon to the left of the type indicator. To change a phone or email's type, click the type indicator and select the new type from the pop-up. Once you have made any change in the Contact Edit mode, you will see an undo button in the action bar. You can tap the undo button to undo your last changes. Once you have undone any changes, you will see a redo button in the action bar. Tapping the redo button will redo the last change. The undo button will disappear when you have undone all changes. The redo button will disappear when you have redone all undone changes or when you have made a new change. To add a new contact, tap the Add New Contact button in the action bar. You need to at least enter the new contact's name to be able to save the new contact. To exit the edit mode, tap your device's the back button. If you want to show or hide a contact group, you need to open the Manage Groups window. Tap the pencil in the action bar and select Manage Groups. In this window, you can add new custom groups, delete existing custom groups, modify names of existing custom groups, hide or show a group, and hide or show members of a group. To modify the name of a custom group, tap the name, and you will get a soft keyboard to enter the new name. To modify the ringtone, tap the ringtone button and select the ringtone. All contacts in the group will be changed to use the selected ringtone. To show or hide the group, check or uncheck Show this group in the contact view. Once a group is hidden, you can check or uncheck Show contacts belong to this group in contact view. A member of the group will not be shown if it does not belong to any other visible group. To add a new group, click the Add Group button. You need to enter the name to be able to save it, but you cannot enter a duplicated group name. After you have finished with it, tap the device's back button to exit. We have reached the end of the contact view video. If you want to learn more about Dialog, our next video will describe the activity view functionality in greater detail.